Creating patterns from logos can transform a simple brand element into a powerful visual identity, and this method will show you how to do it effectively. How to create logo-based repeating patterns. Start by opening Adobe Photoshop and creating a square canvas around 1200 by 1200 pixels to ensure seamless tiling. Import your logo and place it near the center, resizing as needed to fit the desired repetition scale. Duplicate the logo layer using Ctrl+J and arrange copies around the canvas edges, keeping Smart Guides enabled to maintain consistent spacing. To ensure a seamless repeat, use Filter, Other, Offset,